Hi, my name's Angus Lynch and I'm in Year 13 at Hobsonville Point Secondary School. My project is called Magic Carpet. It's an electric skateboard conversion kit. At the end of this year, I graduate high school and move into the next chapter of my life, university. With school no longer being just around the corner, I need a new mode of transport that's convenient, cost-effective and friendly for the environment. With ever-increasing traffic in Auckland and skyrocketing fuel prices, as well as the effect on the environment, driving is most certainly out of the equation. There has recently been a surge in electric skateboarding. Now people have skateboards that are driven with motors that they use to drive around cities. Electric skateboarding is extremely convenient thanks to its small footprint and being lightweight. This means that you can walk straight into a cafe with your skateboard or walk up a flight of stairs with it or these kinds of things. It's much more compatible. It's also great for the environment. Being an electrically powered device, it can be charged at home, which in New Zealand is renewable energy. But there's one thing that electric skateboarding isn't: cost effective. Yet. I've developed a modular electric skateboard kit that allows any skateboard to be converted to an electric skateboard. I call it a Magic Carpet. It consists of three main parts. The first is a motorized skateboard truck. This is ordinary longboard wheels, but with a brushless motor attached down here that drives this wheel here using this belt. This can be screwed directly onto any skateboard. The second part of the kit is the brains of the entire skateboard. This box here plugs into the motor through these color-coded wires and holds 4 battery packs, the motor controlling unit, and an Arduino that communicates with the handheld controller. That brings me to the third part of the kit, which is the Magic Wand controller. This pairs with the skateboard, flashing blue while it's pairing and turns green when it's paired, and allows control of throttle through this trigger movement just here. With the Magic Carpet skateboard conversion kit, it only takes 3 steps to make this normal skateboard into an electric skateboard. The first step is to remove your current wheels and replace them with the power truck. And the only tools required are a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. Step 1 complete. So for step 2, we need to attach the main board to the base of the skateboard. So all we have to do is peel these 4 strips of tape off, turn it over, and then we just press firmly on the whole thing for 10 seconds or so. And that brings us to the third step. Connect these 3 color coordinated cables to one another. Yellow to yellow, black to black, and red to red. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, I've converted my skateboard into a functional electric skateboard. Now let's take this thing out for a ride.